Hey, how's it going, my friends? I hope you are doing well. So, today's video is going to be on affiliate marketing and Clickbank alternatives. So, let me just kind of dive into that real quick. So, if you've seen any of my videos, I do mention Clickbank, a company called Clickbank a lot, but I never really kind of went into what Clickbank is. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But if you're in the make money online space, if you actually want to learn how to make money online, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, then I want to kind of go through a little bit more on alternatives because a lot of people in their videos they talk about ClickBank and the reason why. So ClickBank is a company. Okay, first let me pause. Let me go back real quick before I talk about ClickBank. And I want to give you a definition of affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard the term, maybe you haven't. If this is the first time you've seen my videos, then I'm going to explain it. If you haven't heard this term, then we will talk about it, define it, and then go into it, okay? So affiliate marketing, I actually like this definition better than this one. This is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. And then it says what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company pays others to advertise their product and services and generate sales. So that's more of what I see it as. Affiliate marketing is you as a person or as a company, whatever. Well, basically, a company has a product and they want to sell it. So you can sell it at $90, but you can also have people sell it for you and they get a commission, say 30%, 40%, 50% of that sale, and that helps the company, not have to spend as much on traffic or anything like that, and they have people actually selling the product for them. And so affiliate marketing basically is where a company pays others to help them generate sales, and then you as a person who are as affiliate marketer, you get a commission from that product. So going back to ClickBank, that actually is the company that a lot of people use because it is free. It is free to sign up. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. You don't have to have even a phone call with the company or anything. You can sign up and you can start promoting products. And so on the left here are all kinds of categories for different things that you can promote. So if you wanted to promote, make money online or work from home offers, or say health and fitness. Let's go to health and fitness real quick. Um, if you wanted to promote stuff in the health and fitness area space, whatever you want to call it, you can do that with this company, ClickBank. So the first offer is called Exopure, and this is actually the landing page from this. So a company called Exopure has reached out to ClickBank and wants to sell their product with them. Okay, and they pay a certain percentage to the affiliate marketer to get a sale. So you can see it usually has like in this area will have kind of the demographics or the stuff that you're gonna get. You're gonna see average conversion rate. So if you as affiliate marketer sell this product, average conversion is $150. So if you sell this product, you can get average of $150. That's the average. Normally, it says right here, it says the initial is 147. So the average can be there's an upsell, there's something else going on there, and then you get a recurring billing here unless the person cancels. Okay, so that is ClickBank. All right, and then this is the offer, and this is what you as an affiliate marketer would be promoting. Okay, um, so a lot of people talk about ClickBank, excuse me, because it's free. All right, but I wanted to talk about alternatives to ClickBank because not many people mention that. They just go to ClickBank, but there are alternatives, excuse me, that you can look into. Okay, so I'm going to go through like 6 or 7 of them. Excuse me. that you can sign up to and get started with those companies or websites. So JVZoo is a first one, and a lot of these are in the, work from home, make money online space. They have different. I'm not going to log into all these. I have accounts with all these companies, but to log in and to go through them will take a little while. What you need to do, what you can do, is start selling. You can say click on start selling more or start for free. It's free to sign up. The thing with JVZoo is that you need to. They have multiple products, just like Clickbank here. They have multiple products. The thing with JVZoo though is you have to request approval to promote a certain product. So you're not basically unlike Clickbank where you can just promote any of these products. You need to get permission from the person who is has that product. And the more you become, the better you become, the more you sell. It's easier to get approved for certain products, but you do just when you're wanting to, depending on your niche, which is health and wellness or make money online or whatever it is, you need to just kind of explain why you want to promote that product, whether you have an email list or you're spending money on traffic, and good chance you will get approved. Okay, so JVZoo is the first one, and it is free to get signed up, but you do have to get approval for every product you want to promote. So the next one is Share a Sale. Okay, Share a Sale, and that one is free to sign up. Actually, kind of like ClickBank, which you do not, I believe, do not need to get approval. But I could be wrong. Things may have changed. But again, I do have an account with them, but I haven't done anything lately with them. But this is another one where you can find products in different categories and promote them. And Digistore 24 is another alternative to ClickBank where you can find products and you can promote them in different categories, right? So, and this one is, I believe, kind of like ClickBank, and it's free to sign up, and I believe is also free to promote any of their offers. So Digistore is becoming very, very popular. Actually, some people probably like it even more than ClickBank. They don't have as many products, but they do have good products. Okay, so you can do that if you want to. And let's see if I clicked on Marketplace right now. I'm gonna see if it shows. So it will show you. I mean, there's a tons of categories, and you can get a good amount of money. I mean, 85% commission is good. Okay, so you would want to go through here, and whatever your niche is, then you can promote that. Okay. Another one is Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus, this has pros and cons. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people think that the products aren't the best. Some people really enjoy it, really like it, and like to promote their products. Like JVZoo, you do have to have a. It's free to sign up right here. It says that, but you do have to get approval for any offer that you want to promote. Okay, so that's the same as JVZoo. Okay, their JVZoo Warrior Plus kind of similar in that aspect. Market Health specifically for health and beauty products. Okay, I think it is free to sign up and even free to actually promote any of their offers. I don't think you need to get approval, but it is specifically for health and beauty products. Okay, you're not going to find anything else in this one. Excuse me. Sorry. So let's move on to the next one, Partner Stack. This is a really, really good one where they pay really high commissions, but you're actually, when you sign up here, you actually have to, when you go into their site, you have to be sign up for every single product you have to get approved for. But again, so this one it's hard to get into, but they have really good uh, percentage back on whatever you get as an affiliate. Okay, so a couple more. I'm just gonna run through a couple more. Max Bounty. So Max Bounty is a CPA cost per acquisition company. This one, the negative is you have to get approved by the company. You have to actually sign up and then talk to someone and all this stuff. So, but they do have good pay, good offers. You just need to get approved from them. Okay. And the last one is Amazon Associates. So you can actually just sign up to them, and anything anything you're promoting that's under their under Amazon Associates, basically anything on Amazon you can get a percentage on if you promote it and uh, get get a sale. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of people who make videos, they'll sell their what their microphones and their equipment on there, put their equipment information on there, and then they get a percentage of that. So that is another way. So I will just do a real quick recap real quick. Clickbank, main place. A lot of people go to Clickbank. A lot of people use it. A lot of people talk about it. But there's alternatives right here. JVZoo, Share a Sale, Digistore, 24, Warrior Plus, Market Health, Partner Stack, Max Bounty, and Amazon Associates. So you can see there are more opportunities. And then there's another place called Offer Vault, which I didn't put on here. And Offer Vault actually is a place where you can get all kinds of offers, affiliate offers. But the only problem is they have all the networks here, and you would have to get approved to any of those ones that you want to promote. So that's it. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope that it's helped kind of clarify affiliate marketing for you, and know that Clickbank isn't the only place you can find stuff from. You can find offers to promote in other areas, other places. So take care. Have an awesome day. I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.